Please like and subscribe and press bell icon to stay in touch with technical reviews of new mobile devices and other electronic gadgets.
The Amazon Echo Show 15 is designed as a central home hub, featuring a large 15.6-inch Full HD display, built-in Fire TV, Alexa controls, and helpful widgets for family organization. Mounted on a wall or placed on a stand, it aims to replace sticky notes, calendars, and recipe books with a single smart screen. Design and build quality. The device features a slim, picture frame style design that blends well into modern kitchens and living spaces. Its 15.6-inch display is bright, crisp, and easy to read from a distance, perfect for quick glances while cooking or moving around the room. The frame can be mounted vertically or horizontally depending on preference, adding flexibility for different layout needs. Display and Fire TV integration. The built-in Fire TV is one of the biggest upgrades. It transforms the Echo Show 15 from a smart display into a true entertainment device. You can stream content from Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, and more, making it useful for watching shows while cooking or following recipe videos. The Full HD screen is sharp, with good viewing angles, though it's not as vibrant as a high-end tablet or TV. Still, for its purpose, it performs well. Alexa and Smart Home Control. Alexa works seamlessly here. Voice commands are fast, accurate, and cover everything from weather updates to controlling smart appliances. The large screen enhances this experience by showing visual results, camera feeds, timers, shopping lists, and reminders all appear clearly. Widgets and home organization. This is where the Echo Show 15 really shines. The customizable widgets include shared family calendar, to-do lists and reminders, shopping lists, sticky notes, smart home quick controls. These widgets make the device extremely practical for busy households. It acts like a digital command center for the entire family. Audio and performance. The speakers are decent for voice responses, recipes, and general use, but they aren't designed to compete with dedicated smart speakers like the Echo Studio. For watching videos, they're clear enough but not very powerful. Performance is smooth for navigation, Fire TV apps, and Alexa queries. Switching between widgets is quick and responsive. Camera features. The built-in camera supports video calls, home monitoring, and Amazon's Visual ID features. Visual ID allows the device to show personalized recommendations and reminders when it recognizes you. Privacy options such as the camera shutter and microphone off switch are also included. Ideal use cases. Kitchen hub for recipes, reminders, and timers. Family organization board. Entertainment screen while cooking or multitasking. Smart home dashboard. Wall-mounted information display. Pros. Large, crisp 15.6-inch Full HD screen. Fire TV built-in for streaming entertainment. Excellent for family organization and smart home control. Looks premium and blends into any room. Alexa works flawlessly with fast responses. Customizable widgets for everyday tasks. Can be wall-mounted or used on a countertop stand. Cons. Speakers are only average. Not ideal as a primary TV, brightness and sound are limited. Visual ID setup may take some time. Stand sold separately. Price may be high for some households.